Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export videos in Filmora. So if you want to export videos in Filmora, here is a quick way or a quick tip on how to do that. So before you can export the videos in Filmora, you have to make sure that you added a bit of editing, then some transition into your videos, make it a perfect edited video. So once you've done that, as you can see, this particular video I've edited it and it has go through a bit of transition. So this video is fully edited. So once that is done, then move up here, which is export. Tap on it, then you have some option where you can configure your video. Then once you do that, then you can export it, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for me. Thank you.